Cleaning for a Reason is an ISSA charity that essentially offers free home cleaning services to cancer patients all over the US and Canada. And the intention of it is for us as a cleaning partner to focus on the client's home so they can focus on their health. We were approached by Cleaning for a Reason to become one of their first partners. And we found it a great opportunity to bring more awareness to the nonprofit that's out there. And in addition, to bring it to our franchise owners and provide this opportunity. We already had some of our franchise owners using Cleaning for a Reason. And we thought, well, why not have this a part of our entire brand and messaging, because it really is an important cause and everybody's affected by cancer in some way, shape, or form. So how can we bring this to our give back mantra that we have as a brand?
So Cleaning for a Reason will send me candidates who have a family member that's battling cancer, and then we'll give them 2 free cleanings. And the families have been real receptive. So it's been a great partnership, great giving back and helping families who are, distracted with an unknown illness that just came about.
I think being part of Cleaning for a Reason is exactly what Live Extraordinary is all about. We are looking to bring better things to everybody's lives. And this is just an opportunity for us to bring an incredible, burden-free opportunity to those cancer patients and create a better lifestyle at the moment for them and provide a clean home for them, and an opportunity for them to focus on what's important at that moment for their life. And it's really an opportunity for us as a brand to give back to our community. And that's what it's all about, is giving back.